I'm at Hickory Knob State Park in Georgia, camping after going on a rock dig at Graves Mountain, and there's this crazy sound in the air. It's the cicadas, I guess is how you say it. That batch that...
Still alive. It's over 3 days old. And still alive.
Wow. Do y'all hear that sound? It's these guys. They're everywhere, on every single tree.
On every single wall.
The whole bathroom wall. It sounds like a... Look at all of them. Every single tree. You walk up to any tree, and there's a pile of them. The carcasses, or the shed, whatever, when they shed. Every single tree. Just tons of them. Tons and tons of them.
Some back here.
All over the wall. It sounds like a sprinkler's running. I don't know if y'all can hear it.
I think it sounds like, I know it sounds kind of like an alien invasion, or like a million cop cars.
Like an alien invasion.